Oh, she got it. She got it. Watch. Watch, she'll get it. She's got it right now. She knows what's up now. She's like,
are you sure?
Alright, yep, she's got it.
Are you sure?
No. She doesn't. It's been like...
She should just raise the fucking mower up so it stops hitting.
Yeah. Or just get off the fucking lawnmower and push it a bit. Nope. Nope,
She
nothing.
keep doing what she's doing.
20 minutes of this shit. I hope she starts singing again.
Oh my god. Oh, she is not.
She is not.
Not happy. What is going?
She doesn't. Oh my god, she doesn't even know how to back off.
Where the fuck is she stuck?
She's just stuck.
She's stuck in general. Oh, right there.
It's gonna be the longest video on your phone, dude.
She's already been here 20 minutes plus.
Matt, you should really go help her out, dude.
No. Having too much fun.
I wonder if she realizes that, like, she's on video yet.
No.
Oh, whoa.
No, don't turn that way. Turn the other way.
She's going. Get it.
Why'd you stop?
I never want to use her lawnmower ever.
Right.
Raise the deck.
Oh,
Raise the
man.
deck. Put it in drive and get off of it for a second.
She's not happy. Did you just see that? Oh my god. She's yelling at it.
Wow. I really just can't wait until she gets off to go get her husband again.
Dude, look, she's like swinging the rope around all pissed off. Watch. Wait, hold on. She's swearing. Hold on. Look.
Seriously. Oh.
Dude, she's almost all the way up here. How is she not out of that yet? Oh, did she get it?
Oh,
She got it.
This dog lady.
Oh my god.
Woo!
Uh-oh.
Oh, here she goes again.
Why did she go back in there?
Why? She just really wants that mode, dude.
She did not learn the first 20 minutes.
So happy right now. She doesn't need help. We already know she's capable.
Yeah,
of
dude,
getting
she already
help.
got it once.
How is she getting stuck, dude?
Because she has no clue. Look at her.
She has no clue. She got unstuck. She's like, you know what? I'm gonna fucking run over this thing now.
She's like,
And
I'm
then
gonna
just-
demolish this on video.
Nope.
Get stuck again. Doesn't even raise lawnmower.
Oh, no. Damn. 5 minutes and
Dude, what is she
20
getting
seconds.
stuck on?
There has to be a bump. These divots. And then the fucking back wheel must be spinning or something. Fucker.
She doesn't realize how loud that is, I don't think.
So if she's yelling that loud and making it over the lawnmower by quite a difference,
Yeah.
she must be pretty pissed off.
Yeah.
You hear how the lawnmower's like soft?
Yeah.
She needs to turn it into high gear and then just fucking go. Get it? Get it? Oh.
Fucking A, dog.
Oh,
Dude,
man.
it's been 6 minutes and 20 seconds and fucking.
She even got herself unstuck and then got stuck again.
There was like 20 minutes before this. So this has been going on for like half an hour now.
That doesn't even like add to how she like took 25 minutes over there to try to get off the lawnmower with it still running.
Oh, yeah.
And then just ended up turning it off and getting her husband.
Oh, there you go. Fucking.
No, she's
Yeah.
gonna do it again.
Dude, watch this.
She's gonna do it a third time.
She's gonna fucking do it. What? She's gonna fucking. Did she?
Oh my God! What? Dude. What is she doing?
This is just. This is just straight up dog.
Too much.
Alright, she's got it. Wait.
Is she talking to someone?
Alright, no, she's got it. Does she have it?
Fuck.
Don't even go for it again. Stop.
She's gonna do it.
I think I don't know. No, she's not.
she's done. She's done with that spot.
Yeah, she can't fucking get over this one anyway.
Oh
No, she's
no.
gonna.
Oh.
Why is she backing up?
Is that thing really that horrible?
Is she for real?
She does not know how to drive that thing. Turn towards it, not away from it.
Oh my God. Was she trying to back in that whole entire time, dude?
I really.
Oh
fucking love
my
that.
God.
Was she, I don't even.
She's totally trying to dump grass by that other grass pile right there. And she cannot get that reversed.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Is that really
She
what's
got
going
it.
on right now?
She got it. She got it.
She was not stuck before,
Are you
dude.
fucking kidding me? Oh my God!
I feel so retarded now. She was not stuck. She was just trying to get that.
Cut the
She was trying to reverse, dude.
Oh, just to dump that. She need. Oh. Oh my God.
Whoa, fucking ridiculous.
I feel so much dumber.
Oh, she is done
And
now.
we
she's
fucking
done.
sat and watched that whole thing.
I
my.
want that 40 minutes back.
Wow. That was like.
Hey,
She's